In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to resize photo in Outlook. This is perfect when you want your email to look clean and professional, and you need a picture to fit nicely without overwhelming the message. Let's walk through it from start to finish in a simple, clear way. First, open Outlook and create your email. Insert the picture into your message using your usual method. Once the image is in, click it to select it. You'll see small handles appear around the edges and corners of the picture. Those handles are your quick resizing controls. For fast adjustments, drag a corner handle inward to make the image smaller, or outward to make it larger. Corner handles preserve the proportions automatically, which helps your photo look natural. Try to avoid dragging the side handles unless you're going for a stretched effect, because that can distort the image. If you want precise control, select the image and go to the Picture Format tab. In some older versions, this may appear simply as Format. Look for the size group. Here, you can type exact height and width values or choose percentages, which is great if you need a consistent size across multiple emails. By default, Outlook keeps the aspect ratio locked to prevent distortion. If you truly need different height and width values, uncheck Lock Aspect Ratio. Just keep in mind that this can change the image's proportions and make it look squeezed or stretched, so use it only when you have a specific reason. Depending on your version of Outlook, you may also see preset sizing options such as Best Fit, Small at 25%, Medium at 50%, or Full Size at 100%. These presets are handy when you want a quick, predictable result without manually entering numbers. Best Fit tries to balance readability and layout. Small is great for simple thumbnails, medium works well for most emails, and full size keeps the image at its original dimensions. Choose the size that best suits your email's layout and tone. Think about the reader's experience. A smaller image loads faster and keeps the focus on your text, while a larger image can highlight important visuals. Once you're happy with how it looks in the message body, you're ready to send your email. That's all there is to it. With these options, you can resize images quickly or with precision, depending on what your message needs. Thanks for watching.